Record high na naman ang utang ng Pilipinas sa pagpasok ng 2025. Batay sa datos ng Bureau of the Treasury, umakyat na sa 16.31 trillion pesos ang utang ng gobyerno noong Enero na mas mataas sa 16.05 trillion pesos noong December 2024.
There are allegations against her in her time as Secretary of Education, but also as a sitting Vice President.
But that's just a 6% decline. Compare that to the president, who had a 15 percentage point drop in his performance, seeing his lowest performance rating since he assumed the presidency. First, are you seeing this as a trend coming from the start of his presidency?
Yeah, I think this is a trend by now. We have seen consistently since early last year that the performance rating of the president has been declining, and I think what we're trying to measure every time we field our regular survey is how much the performance rating of the president would decline, same as the vice president. And as you've described, this is a big drop in his performance rating. This is a 15 percentage points, and he's now at 30%, and that actually means that there are more Filipinos now that are unhappy with the